a startup based on providing car repairing services at doorstep. So basically the pain point that we are trying to solve is for all the car owners it is difficult to find reliable garages. There is no appointment booking system due to which there is lot of time wastage and also there is lack of transparent services. Second, for most of the car owners they don't know what problem they have in their car and what was the right amount that they need to be charged. So they are cheated at garages and at last there are tons of water is wasted in car wash every day. So the solution that we are providing is we are providing car checkup and car service at doorstep. Also you can get find verified garages all around you and also book appointment with them. Also we have a price quotes feature in which you can ask for any price quotation from multiple garages where you can get the best price quotes from the garages and compare and choose the best. The last is eco-friendly dry wash. In this we clean the car without using a single drop of water. It is an initiative taken by us to save water that is wasted in car wash. So looking at the market, the automotive sector is currently worth around $40 billion and it is growing at the rate of 11%. And currently in tier 1 cities, around 60% is unorganized and 40% sector is organized. Looking at the customers, our core customers are the 12 million car owners whose cars are out of warranty and who don't depend on authorized garages. The next, this is our product through which you can book all the services. You can also find fuel center, petrol station. Second, we have a live stream feature through which you can see your car getting serviced or washed outside your office or garages live on the app along with all the other features. Here we provide the detailed description of all the garages. You can see its specs, reviews, ratings and everything to make better choices. So we have two revenue models. Basically for the doorstep services we charge from the customers and there is from the garages we charge percentage commission and we have a listing charge for our app for the garages to be displayed on our app. And this is a competitive landscape. We have Cartesian, Vericar, Get Car Expert. Most of them are operational in Bangalore, Pune and Gurgaon. So the unique value proposition that we are offering to our car owners are that they can get their car service within 30 minutes at their doorstep. Second, there is multiple price codes where you can send your quotations and we will provide the best car quotes from our garages. Last is we provide a full description of garages and last feature is live streaming of car services. So Carpico was founded on 10th November, then we completed 100 survey forms with car owners in order to validate the idea and the product concept. Then we registered our garages. Finally we launched our services on 11th Feb and we are based out of Noida and operational since 4 months. And now we are a part of East Park Viridian Accelerator program. Thank you everyone.
Any questions?
Any questions?
So are you guys funded?
No, right now we are bootstrapped.
So you are relying on your profits or are you looking for funds?
Right now we don't, we are not making any profit, we are just relying on our parents. Yes.
How different are you from the Cartesians and the bumpers and the...
Yeah, basically I told about that the garages they show, there is not full description of the garages like pics and everything, we show that thing. Second, we are providing car service at the doorstep. Instead of going to the garages, you can get it done at the doorstep. Mechanic will come with all the products and at the doorstep.
See, but what about the service which has to be done with the lift?
Basically the car service is not dependent. In car service you have engine oil change, you have air filter, oil filter change.
Alignment?
No, alignment is not maintained.
Is that part of the service?
No, it's not. It's not of regular service. It's all of the complicated service that goes for the. Yeah.
See, so when you take these cars from doorstep, so do you have any insurances for that or are you relying on the insurance which car owner has taken it? So for example, you have picked the car from Mumbai and something happens to the car on the way. So are you taking an insurance for that period or are you relying on the
So
insurance?
currently we are providing a job sheet form through which there is an agreement in the job sheet that whatever happens, in case something bad happens to the car, so it will be dealt between the garages where the car is going and between the customer.
So have you ever
The customer bears the risk,
something
right?
has happened?
Yeah, it has to be dealt with the garages and the customers.
Obviously not where there is.
No, we have signed the agreement with them So they are ready that if anything problem happens,
Basically,
during the
you're saying
doorstep-
you all are not responsible.
yeah, we are not responsible. That we are.
And I mean, once you move out of the authorized workshop, the insurance will not honor the unauthorized workshop, right?
Yeah, it will not. So basically,
all
that's why
the
we are
expenses-
targeting the.
all expenses have to be borne by the customer, right?
Yeah, yeah.
See, what I feel is, I've got an idea of a concept. Now, but what is the biggest problem we face with the car service? Biggest problem with car service is that service centers are looters and cheats.
Yeah.
20,000, 25,000, 40,000, crazy prices. And one thing is the fact that the third party garage can do this much cheaper.
Yeah.
What steps are you working towards solving this problem?
Yeah, we are not
Can you
using the third party garages. We are just dealing with the directly with the dealers. We are getting the products out of there for every car required, and we have our mechanics who go at the doorstep and do at least 20% less than the market rate that we are providing car service. So there is no, this is done from our
You
side.
don't deal with garages, you
No.
have your own mechanics.
Yeah, for the doorstep services that we provide, that we don't do
And
our own.
for a garage like business, are you a yellow page or do you
Yellow
own
page.
the
Yellow
do you
page.
own the? Okay.
We are a yellow page.
If you are a yellow page, then again that unauthorized garage will again use the duplicate parts and then.
No, we make sure, no, actually.
How do you
there are-
make sure?
Yeah, there are actually 50 to 80 garages in Noida, okay? So we choose garages based on 3 factors. First is the infrastructure, second is what kind of premium cars and everything they service, last is customer satisfaction. We have talked to the customers outside, and we after doing a discussion, we have chosen 10 garages on the customer satisfaction and what the services they provide.
You are trying to aggregate,
Yeah, there is a rating system that we have provided.
There's a rating.
Rating
but
system.
still, I mean, you have to.
Yeah, I mean, but
It will
there's
evolve
still
eventually
responsible.
after more customers come and use the services.
Initial stages,
I
so
mean,
they
you
will.
can improve it, improvise it. I mean, if you own it, you can route the spares from your side. I am working in the automobile industry, and I also was working on this idea only.
Okay.
But I actually pivoted my idea. That is why I am telling you.
Any more feedbacks, any more questions for him?
Because spares is the key.
Yeah, that is the main thing. Where they earn most of the charges.
You have to put an ERP system wherein you can route all the spares through you. I mean, technicians you can train.
Yeah,
If you can take care of the spares, most of the job is done.
I will look into that.
Any more suggestions for him? Any more questions?
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Brings us to the end of the session for this day. We will be open for networking till 6 p.m. Snacks are on us. In case you have any suggestions, any issues with us, please let us know. Write to us at delhi@headstart.in. You can also follow us on Facebook at Headstart Delhi. There's a Twitter handle also @headstartdelhi. Let us know in case you have any suggestion, any